Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a brake light on a Jeep Liberty. First, gather your tools like a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and safely parked before starting any work. Having the right tools and taking safety precautions will make the process much smoother and quicker for you. Let's get started with accessing the light. Now let's access that brake light bulb. Begin by opening your Jeep Liberty's rear liftgate. You'll then see the taillight assembly. Look for two retaining screws, usually on the inside edge, and carefully remove them with your screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back from the vehicle body. It should come free with a little careful effort. With the taillight assembly removed, you'll see the bulb sockets. Identify the brake light bulb socket, which is typically the larger one. Twist the socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the assembly. Then, gently pull the old bulb straight out of the socket. Be careful not to break it. Now, take your new bulb and firmly push it straight into the socket until it's fully seated. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb. Now it's time to put everything back together. First, twist the bulb socket clockwise to lock it securely back into the taillight assembly. Carefully align the entire taillight assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle and gently push it back into place. Reinstall the two retaining screws you removed earlier. Finally, close the liftgate and have someone press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is working correctly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.